Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and we have some more unboxing, and I'm actually really excited because we have a new subscription box to unbox. It is not 100% makeup related, which is kind of cool. Now we're going to get a little other stuff. So let me show you. So used to be called CauseBox, but they've changed their name, and I feel like if I can get my thumbnail, there we go. So this is how they're letting their customers know they've changed their name. It's now AllTrue. So I know I saw a bunch of ads on Facebook, and that's how I found out about CauseBox, which is now AllTrue. I'm really excited about it because it's like everything. These are things that are going to be a little bit better for the environment. You know, money might go to charity. Just a different things. A little postcard came with. Of course, this is our guide. It does come with a magazine, and it's actually kind of thick. Which is kind of cool, like build your own at-home apothecary. So I definitely will be flipping through this. We have a garden in my house, so yeah. So let's see what came in the box. And this is the summer box. So first thing is I'm gonna flip this open because I do want to obviously read the descriptions a little bit. I mean, it's like long paragraphs. I'm not going to read everything. First thing that I saw was this Bamboozle 5-piece nesting bowls. They are repurposed. They're biodegradable. So it actually says here they're made of 70% bamboo fiber, 15% cornstarch, and 50% resin. So as we know, bamboo is a great product. A lot of things are being used with bamboo, plus like these are super cute. So I'm actually really excited. Like, I kind of want to pop them open and start cooking right now. Now AllTrue does not tell you the retail price that I can see, but either way, like, this is definitely, if you don't have a set of bowls, this is like a staple that should be in your kitchen if you cook. So I'm super excited about these and the fact that they are environmentally friendly. Next, and I apologize guys, some of the stuff did get open. They are packing pods, and they're actually made of recycled plastic bottles. It's a set of 3. So you've got the bigger size, like a medium size, and then the little baby size. And I don't know if you can really tell, they're like a mint green. My Tagalongs is the name of the brand. And I just love that they're made of recycled material. I do not pack when I go anywhere anymore without packing cubes. And of course, the more the better. So you guys can kind of see, like, they are durable. They're, of course, zipped. They do have the little weavable, breathable stuff. The only thing is, like, ones that I use sometimes will compact. These don't. But I don't care. Like, the fact that they're made with recycled water bottles, like, that just makes me happy. So let's see what else. So we do get some skincare. And it's on the other side of the sheet. So this is Cosmetics Bacioil Complete Plant-Based Retinol Serum. So it's really cool. Like, I was reading about this. So basically, a dermatologist, I think it was a dermatologist and like a makeup artist, and I'm probably getting it completely wrong. There's just like, it's a whole paragraph, and I don't want to have you guys sit here while I'm reading a whole paragraph. Basically, two women got together because they didn't find any environmentally friendly serums and face care that was doing the job for them. So they created this line. And I'm actually really excited to try this because I've had issues with other serums before. Whatever has been in other serums that I've tried has actually made my face break out or dry out. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. So, alright, next brand with Heart OMG Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. Love some leave-in conditioner. And I've smelled this already. Like, that's not even off. And you can smell it. And it's got this like berry. Oh, it just smells really good. So, really excited to try this. And then Hanalei Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio. Usually when I'm not recording, I usually have some kind of lip balm on. Like I use Burt's Bees and I use EOS, just because they're a little bit more environmentally friendly. So I'm actually excited to try this. So we've got an unscented, tropical citrus, and island mint. And they do have an SPF of 15, which is awesome. It even says they're vegan. So I'm actually super excited to try this, and it is actually made in Hawaii. So super excited about that. I love my lip balms. All right, so last thing's in the box, but not the last thing that I got. It's Etika, I think is the pronunciation. And it is just this super cute, it's a silver plated bracelet, and like the camera's not really, like, it's just a little stone. Like, it's a very cute, delicate bracelet. And I'm definitely going to be wearing this. So I'm actually excited about it. Have to admit though, so this was in it. The only thing that concerns me is it does say avoid contact with water, sweat, lotion, perfumes, or any other similar products. And of course it does say when you're done with it to like store it in the pouch when you're not wearing it. But especially with it being the summer, like, I'm not saying that my wrist gets sweaty, but like I do wear lotion, you know, I do sometimes wear perfume, so I'm a little concerned, but I am going to try it anyway and just hope that it doesn't damage my skin or turn my wrist green or something. But that is the summer box. So this of course is the first time getting this box, and when we signed up we did get some freebies, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to move this down. Alright, so we did get, it's Earth Harbor Island Jade facial roller. I actually already have one, so mom got excited because she doesn't have one, but like it's heavy and it's sturdy, and like I actually kind of love I have makeup on, so I'm not going to do it now. So that was really cool. What else did we get? Mira, so we got some stainless steel straws. And these are the ones, I'm going to show you guys if I can get them out. It of course does come with a little brush, but they have the rubber tips on them, which I know a lot of people like the rubber tips on them. I'm fine either way. So, and looks like they do bottles and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to check them out because I'm actually in the market for a new water bottle. So always good to have the reusable straws. I don't use plastic straws at all anymore. So, alright. We also got some reusable sandwich bags. Which now that we're going, like a lot of people are going back to physical work, these are awesome. You can kind of see they got this like gold geometric pattern on it. These are by Full Circle. They are 2. If you're going to get reusable bags, these are actually the kind that you want to get, because first of all, they're plastic. So they're going to be a little bit easier if like you put your sandwich in there and like some mayonnaise and mustard might, you know, get on the bag as opposed to the fabric ones. But also they are a little bit more like a Ziploc bag where you like press and seal. And of course, being reusable, great for the environment. And they are of course BPA friendly. So these are great to add to our collection. They also gave us Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile eye cream. So I am not familiar with them, but my mom is. I thought this was cute. Like, that's the top, that's the lid. And of course, it's got like a really nice smell. Like, I am actually really excited to try it. And of course, like, just the little packaging's cute, like just being a little small. But it's that brightening and moisturizing eye cream. But honestly, so that was freebies, but that's not it. Like, I'm saving like the big freebie for last. Well, the free like additional. Okay, so this is Bentgo Fresh 3-meal prep pack. So basically what this is, so it's basically a reusable bento box. So, you know, you can meal prep your meals for the day, for like the 3 days. And like in my house, we meal prep on the weekend. So it comes with 3 of them. This one here, this is actually with the cover. So it actually has the lid with the rubber, and you actually will pull this out when you're done, put it in the dishwasher, and then you take another one from the box and put it in. So this part is what goes with you every day for your meals. It's just really, really cool and great. I mean, you think about, I mean, you got 4 compartments, and you can actually take that out, which is great. Because we don't just take one thing for lunch. You know, we usually have, you know, like a sandwich or your meat or your basically your protein and your veggies and maybe a carb. So this is actually really, really cool. So that is our AllTrue, formerly known as CauseBox box. Really excited for more. Just trying to close this back up right. I'm trying to remember the price, and it's completely drawing a blank, but like I said, this was the summer box. So we'll get them 4 times a year, and it's a really good box. Just by this first one, not even the freebies that I just showed you, but the stuff that was actually in the box, I was really, really excited. So, but again, that's the AllTrue, formerly known as CauseBox. I of course will open all the ones I get from here on out because I like knowing what's in them. Hopefully you guys like knowing what's in them. If you get this box, what's the favorite thing that you got? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, like and subscribe for more videos. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Have a great night. Hakuna Matata.